Good morning all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, March 10th. We're looking at the SPY ETF's market profile here on Window Trader. And right now we are trading basically, as you can see, between B's low from yesterday, M's low. Again, the market got turned on its head late in the day, which wasn't a surprise, as all these longs up here attempting to take out the poor high, not knowing what was in front of them, and then finally, when M broke L's low, they all jumped out the window, and then shorts piled on. Now the big question this morning is, are the shorts going to suffer the same fate as the longs from yesterday, or are they going to continue to push down? If we didn't have that weekly low of 387.50, that's right above where we're trading right now, I would say that I think these shorts could be in for a little bit of pain. But they realize those levels, and we're going to see if they defend it. As far as the Russell, well, already, longs got flushed out, and right now, with 75 minutes to go, the shorts are feeling
the house of pain,
as they are getting taken to the woodshed early. Triple Qs, a little bit of a different story. And again, they're the ones that have the most issues to deal with going forward, with the gaps, the double distribution days up above them. So, right now, after they're flush in M, they're below it. So they're having a little bit more of an issue. As far as us, these destinations, remember, the only destinations we had, I said coming into today, before the pre-overnight high and low, was yesterday's low and yesterday's high, as we were just 8 wide. So destinations, right now on the upside, the overnight high is 388.15, so we're $1 away from that. And then we have yesterday's high of 389.91, which is a poor high, and you should have the other destinations above that. For the downside, we have our overnight low, 385.76, which is almost $1.50 lower from where we are, and 385.31 yesterday's low, then 381.42 daily low. So again, because we're dealing with short-term algos that have to search for destinations and it's something to lean on, we're going to get incredible chop inside of yesterday's range. Keep that in mind. Patience is going to be the key factor. In balance, in value. We had a nice buy tail yesterday. I mean, you're flipping a coin right now. This is not half back from yesterday. Remember, there was a bad tick that was thrown into the mix yesterday. So like yesterday's half back, I believe, was 387.61. So this is nowhere near it. What do we expect this morning? Pure chop. If you get accepted into M's range, at some point, good chance you'll trade it all and test the POC from yesterday. If we get acceptance below M's range, good chance you'll trade yesterday's low. We are one time framing up for 3 days right now. But the weekly is still down. To tell you I want to take a long here or short here, it would be irresponsible at this point. You know, you can look at M as a very visual area. If you open below it, you want to take a short. I'd be out if you get, put your stop loss a tick or two inside of M's range if you take a short below it. On the flip side, in the next 75 minutes, if we open, for argument's sake, around A's high from yesterday, you want to take a long. Again, I'd put my stop either a tick or two below where your long is, or certainly a tick or two below M's low. That's flipping a coin right now as far as I'm concerned. So I would be careful. Patience is a virtue. You realize you could have sat here all day yesterday, not done one trade, and then just take this short and M period and had a great day. It's not how many trades you take. It's the quality of trades you take. And then quickly on the chart. Again, weekly and daily, those are the only ones that matter for now. Until we get acceptance into 387.50, this weekly is going to stay down. One-time framing down. And the daily, we're one-time framing up. Sold off pretty good, as you can see. We're right at the 20-day moving average. So now we have to see, do we continue the one-time framing up? If we do, then the odds of taking out last week's high are good. If we take out yesterday's low, well then, again, we come back into a balance, and the odds of testing the 50-day moving average are very good, and if that fails, to the bottom of the balance. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.